Oh my goodness, I could Kenny Roberts.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
When Kenny came over, it just changed the game. I remember
Yeah,
real
didn't it?
quick. I remember real quick telling Antonio Cobus, because he was building the 250s. He revolutionized the way 250s are built.
mm,
But with Roberts, I was saying. He said, "What's all this talk about Roberts and his style?" We hadn't seen him yet. It was because before the first Grand Prix at Jarama, and I drew on a piece of paper what I thought Roberts's line through the Bugatti corner would
yeah.
be. And he said, "You're exaggerating." And he came back after practice and said, "You didn't exaggerate enough."
Yeah.